Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss about facts of Indian Railway. The first train in India was run on April 16, 1853 between Bombay and Thane. Train covered a distance of 34 kilometers and took about 45 minutes to reach its destination. Train was called the first passenger train and was flagged off by Lady Franklin, wife of Governor of Bombay, Sir Henry Battle Edward. Train was operated by Great Indian Peninsula Railway, which later became the Central Railway of India. Train was operated on a broad gauge track which was wider than standard gauge used in Europe at the time. Train had 14 carriages, include a first class carriage, third second class carriages and 10 third class carriages. Fare for first class carriage was 4 rupees only, while fare for third class carriage was only 1 rupee 75 paisa. Success of first train in India paved the way for expansion of Indian railway network, which now includes over 7,000 stations and employ over 1.3 billion people. And now it's one of the biggest sector in India. Thanks for watching this video. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel.